Hello viewers, hope you're doing well. Today in this video, I'm going to create a controller for whiteboard where we will create the sockets endpoint, broadcast, comment, reaction, stroke and erase in Spring Boot application. So let's get started. As you can see, the package for controller. Inside this, I'm going to create a new Java class with the name whiteboard controller. So on the top of this class, let me add here the annotation @controller to make this class as a controller in Spring Boot application. Inside this class, I'm going to add here the method with the name broadcast stroke. Inside the argument, it will get an object of stroke. Let me import this. So on the top of this, I'm going to add here the mapping @message mapping where the URL /draw. The second annotation, let me add here @send to the URL that we have /topic/drawings. This function will return the stroke. After that, let me add here the method for broadcast comment. Inside the argument, it will get an object of comment. Let me import this. So the return type of this method that we have comment, and this will return the comment. Now on the top of this, let me add here the annotations. First we have message mapping. Second we have send to. The URL of the message mapping that we have /comment. For this annotation, we have the URL /topic/comments. After that, let me add here the method for broadcast reaction. This will get the reaction object in the argument. Let me import this, and we have to return here the reaction. So on the top of this, let me add here the annotations, where the first annotation that we have @message mapping with the URL /reaction. Second, we have @send to with the URL /topic/reactions. Now at the last, I'm going to add here the method for broadcast erase. So as you can see, the method name broadcast erase. Inside the argument, it will get a message that is a type of a string, and we have to run here the string erase. On the top of this, we have the annotations @message mapping with the URL /erase. The second we have @send to with the URL /topic/erase. Now you can take a look of a whiteboard controller. That's all for now from my side. Thanks for watching.